Hello, kids! Welcome to Mr. Bell's Learning Train. Start your learning journey by just watching my train. When I press this button, the objects will pop out of the carriage, like this. Are you ready for the fun journey? So let's learn the fruits. Here comes apple. It's red in color. Hi, banana. Its color is yellow. Hello, cherry. It's red in color. Now it's grape's turn. It's green in color. Now look at orange. It's orange in color. Now comes papaya. It's yellow in color. Hello, pear. It's green in color. Hey, pomegranate. It's red in color. Here is mango. It's yellow in color. Say hi to strawberry. It's red in color. Now it's sweet lime's turn. It's yellow in color. Hi, watermelon. It's green in color. Are you ready to learn more? Then watch out my next train and enjoy learning. Meet Miss Pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Candy is pink.